Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the clothes that I packed to live overseas for 3 months in Southeast Asia. So keep in mind, this is my first time living out of a suitcase. This whole full-time travel thing is totally new to me. So there are some things that I would definitely do differently. So make sure you stay to the end of this video to get all of those tips. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So mistake number one was checking a bag. I hate checking a bag. It's just annoying. It's annoying to lug around. It's heavy, it's expensive, and just having to worry about whether your suitcase is going to arrive to your destination is just a worry that I do not want to have. So when we go back to the States, best believe I plan on just bringing a carry-on suitcase. I already have one, and I just plan to minimize as much as possible because I do not want to check a bag the second time around. So I made sure to pack very breathable, lightweight articles of clothing just to combat the hot and humid weather that's in this particular area of the world, in this region of the world. So think about flowy dresses, light materials, things that are airy and going to dry quickly because you are going to sweat a lot if you come to Southeast Asia, best believe, especially in this season. We're here in the end of April. It's about to be May, so it's pretty hot. So I made sure to pack very versatile pieces of clothing, like things that can be mixed and matched very easily. This just helps to, have different outfits for different occasions. But I also tried to stay very realistic to our lifestyle. So when I was packing my suitcase initially to live abroad, I really thought that I needed to bring everything. Like in my mind, I just wanted to be prepared for everything. I didn't know if I was going to be able to find certain things, but I really didn't need to do that much because I just didn't. I just ended up lugging around things and just making things heavier and more difficult for myself because I just felt like I needed to bring everything under the sun. Majority of the things that I brought, I didn't even end up using or realize that I didn't even need. But if I could do it all over again, I would definitely watch videos like these just to prepare myself and to just get a visual representation of what I will probably be needing and what I don't need. I would also be mindful of the materials that I'm bringing, making sure things could dry quickly, breathable, because like I said earlier, it is very hot and humid in this region of the world. So I would be mindful of whether things are made out of linen and cotton and sports materials, like I said, that dry quickly. So I definitely would have done that. I would leave behind bulky items like jackets and bulky things that take up a lot of space and add to the weight of things, because by packing smarter, I would have saved myself some back pain and just aggravation because I did need majority of the things that I brought. But hey, you live and you learn, right? It is what it is. Starting off with shorts, I brought 3 with me in neutral colors that I can mix and match very well. I brought 5 pairs of pants with me, which was absolutely ridiculous. One, because I don't need all of these options, and also because denim isn't the most comfortable material, and it's way too hot in Southeast Asia to wear these, so I never reach for them. This is my favorite black dress that I wear all of the time. I absolutely love. It feels great on the skin. A one-piece romper situation, which is nice to have because not a lot of thought goes into this at all. I just put it on and go. And my favorite A-line skirt. Staying healthy is priority for us, so we will be working out while we're living here in Southeast Asia. So this is my athleisure. This beige piece right here is another one piece, regular black leggings, and another comfortable capri style legging. I brought 5 tank tops with me. I wear these majority of the time. 3 are cotton and the other 2 are a more silkier polyester material, which I'm trying to get away from, but that's a topic for another day. I only brought 1 pair of sneakers with me. These are my Kizik runners, which are very comfortable. I love how they're totally black, so I can pair a lot with them. Next are my sorrel sandals. I don't know if they make these anymore, but they are my most comfortable shoe. I can literally walk for hours in these. I also brought one zip-up hoodie, which comes in handy, and a rain jacket. And I was able to strategically fit all of my clothes into these packing cubes. My bulkier pieces of clothing I wear on the plane to help maximize my space. And that is it for my clothing packing tips for living abroad for 3 months in Southeast Asia. These tips could definitely be applied whether you are living here for a while or you're just coming on vacation to visit. I would definitely keep these things in mind when you're packing. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like because it lets us know that you are interested in enjoying this type of content, and it also puts it in front of other people that need to see it as well. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, of course, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.